In this video, I will show you exactly how to run Telegram ads in 2025. If you want to advertise on Telegram, get more views, subscribers and traffic, watch until the end. This is the exact process I use to get cheap and high-quality subscribers. Telegram ads appear inside the Telegram app in public channels, bots, and the global Telegram search results. Just like Google or Facebook, Telegram ads work as a system, and every part matters. If one part is weak, your whole campaign can't flop. Key factor number 1. Target the right people. If you target the wrong audience, your Telegram ads will flop. You need to pick the right target, channels, bots, keywords that match your niche and audience perfectly. Big beginner mistake: promoting multiple channels, bots or keywords in one ad. In 2025, that doesn't work. If one channel performs well and the other don't, you won't know what actually brought the results. That means wasted budget and bad decisions. Plus, in 2025, many channels fake views to earn money from Telegram's creators program. And the only way to know what's real is to follow this rule: one ad, one channel. I made a quick video showing you how to find Telegram channels for ads. It will save you time and give you practical high-quality options. Key factor number 2. Optimize your Telegram ad destination. Before you spend a single ton, ask yourself, where are you sending the traffic? Because here's the truth: a dull, messy or empty page will push visitors away fast. In 2025, it's one of the biggest reasons ads fail and why most Telegram ads get declined. Take a look at the picture. Which content do you think works best for Telegram? Post number 1, the Bitcoin risk story, is the winner. Why it works? Emotional, high-stakes story, clear takeaway, strong call to action, clean, readable formatting. Posts number 2 are weak, and there is a 95% chance Telegram ads will reject it. Why? Just hype, no real value, spammy, low trust look, no clear offer or benefit. Don't guess, use Channel Analyzer to get clear, data-driven insights into what's working and what's not in your Telegram channel. Then double down on what works and cut what doesn't. Key factor number 3. Write Telegram ad copy that converts. Let's be honest, your ad copy is your first impression. If your message isn't clear, catchy or relevant, users will scroll right past. Ask yourself, if I saw this in a Telegram channel, would I care enough to click? If the answer is no, rewrite it. Look at this ad. You can see clear value, clear offer, urgency, apply now, drives immediate action, clear formatting, short lines, emoji used smartly. And in contrast, the next ad. This ad is generic. Startup event doesn't explain why this one matters. No emotional trigger. Weak CTA. In 2025, more ads are showing up in Telegram channels, and writing random, low-effort copy doesn't work anymore. You need to stand out. Key factor number 4. Analyze your Telegram ads, then optimize like a pro. Launching a Telegram ad is easy, but getting cheap, high-converting subscribers consistently, that takes data, testing, and optimization. Here's what I do. Test different channels, audiences, try unique copy for different target channels, start with a CPM of 0.1 ton. This is the default and safest bid for testing. Increase later if it's necessary. Double down on what works and fix or ditch what doesn't. To understand what works and what doesn't, check the metrics in your Telegram ads and make decisions based on real data. For example, click-through rate is a key metric that shows the percentage of people who clicked on your ad. If your click-through rate is low, it usually means one of two things. Your ad copy is weak, people don't feel that they want to click. Or you are targeting the wrong audience. The channel, bot, or keyword doesn't match your ideal user. Look at the data and decide what to do with each ad based on the results. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more useful content.